This moment is really happening. I can't believe it is truly, really happening today. I know these past days have been pretty crazy, leading up till today, but today is the mark that starts a lifetime of laughs and cries and also arguing about whose turn it is to do the dishes.
Ralph, all I want is to love you for the rest of my life and to wake up every morning with you by my side. I love you because you understand me better than anyone. I love you despite your funny but not funny jokes. I love you because of the dreams we have built together.
Just make a promise to me that you will stop what you're doing at least once and enjoy the moment, because this day is truly for you. I love you, babe.
I can't wait to see you and marry the man of my dreams. Love you, your future wife.
Falling in love with Jesus. Falling in love with Jesus. Falling in love with Jesus.